Hello everyone, this video is about how to fix anarch.dll and isdone.dll errors when you install some program or game in Windows 10, 8 or 7. The error code returned by anarch.dll doesn't matter usually. First most common reason for the anarch.dll error is your antivirus software. Try disabling it and install your game or program again. Even if you don't have any third-party antivirus, try disabling Windows Defender in Windows 10 or Windows 8. Open Windows Defender Security Center. Click Virus and Threat Protection, and then Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Then disable every switch on this page, and try installing your program or game again. If that doesn't fix the error, the second most common reason for anarch.dll error is non-latent characters in your username, folder you keep your installer, or past or temporary folder. Try moving the setup file to the root of some drive, so the path to it won't contain any non-latent characters. Then open Control Panel, switch view to Icons, open System, and then Advanced System Settings. On Advanced tab, click Environment Variables. Have a look at the temp and CMP folders, and if the path to it contains any non-latent characters, edit the path to it, then apply changes and reboot your computer, and then try installing your software again. The last two reasons for the anarch.dll and isdone.dll errors: faulty RAM modules and broken installer. Try get the installer from another source and run memory tests on your Windows machine. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.